Okay, chapter 5, closure number 8. Sarah invested $1,200 into a savings account that earns 3% interest every month. Write an equation to determine how much money will be in the account after n months. As soon as you see this percentage, we know this is a geometric sequence. So geometric is exponential. If we were going to graph it, it would be a curve. And we see the word exponent in exponential, which means this equation has to have an exponent. So keep that in mind when we write this equation. If it's earning 3%, first let's look at the starting value. The starting value is $1,200. It's geometric, that means it's multiplying. And if it's earning 3%, we always add or subtract this percentage from 100. So this is going to be 100 plus 3. So this, because it's earning, it's going up. This is 103%. And then to find what you're multiplying by, you change this number into a decimal. You do that by dividing by 100. So you get 1.03 to the nth power. Now, if we read carefully, it says the equation is going to determine how much money will be in the account after n months. So n is the number of months. Remember last chapter we spent a lot of time defining what our variable stands for, and this is going to be very important for you when you're reading word problems. Oops. Not number of money, number of months. Okay, so the question is, how much will Sarah have in her account after 3 years? Okay, this is in years, but n is in months. So we have to change this number 3. We're not plugging in a 3 because that would be 3 years. Okay, we need to plug in n is the number of months. So it's 3 times 12 because there's 12 months in a year. So 36 would be the number of months that it's asking about. So we're going to plug in we're going to plug in 36. And 1200 times 1.03 to the 36 power is, and this is talking about money, 3477. And we're going to round this to the hundredths place. So we need 2 numbers here after the decimal. So it's 9-3. And then we look to the right, that's a 3. So we're going to leave that a 3. If this number was a 5 or greater, this would move up to a 4. So this is 93 cents.